Hi, I'm Steve. Welcome to my shop. I just wanted to share a quick tip with you that I learned from Lucas Kundig at the IWF, and that is on the Kündig Uniq or Unique edge sander. And chances are, at least if you're in the US, if you've got this sander or one of the versions thereof, you probably have the oscillating spindle sander table, and this uses spiral bands, and it's got a variety of different rubber sleeves that you put on a metal spindle. And well, I've had this machine for 14 years. You can always learn something new, and I always struggled getting these rubber sleeves off of this metal spindle. So I'm going to turn the camera over to the Kündig Uniq or Unique edge sander, and I'll show you what I learned at the IWF. And I know a number of my viewers do have this machine or some variant, and I just wanted to share this with you as a tip. Okay, so this is the spindle with the that you install these rubber sleeves on, and they come, at least my unit came with 4 different sizes ranging from 25 millimeters all the way up to 45. And these rubber sleeves fit down over this metal spindle, and it's got a rather large washer and a cap screw that basically you put this spindle on, you tighten that down, it expands the rubber and contacts the abrasive or spiral band. Getting this off is a real pain. Now this one wasn't even all the way down, but it would have pushed down eventually. But getting these things off is just virtually impossible. So I mentioned that to Lucas Kundig at the IWF, and he sent me a video link which is quite old, and I've since misplaced it, but the idea was there. And what he showed was a user had some type of plumbing adapter where he just put in his air gun and was able to easily remove these rubber sleeves. So I 3D printed this nozzle to fit on my air gun, and I've got this size to where you can just insert it down in there, and I found it's best to just kind of wrap your hand around the top to do this. It's primarily more useful on the smaller diameter ones, but this is a piece of cake to get off now. And I mean, it's just been a struggle for me for over the years. Again, you can't pull this thing off, but if you put it up there, it comes off easily. And it doesn't really matter the rubber size. I mean, they're not easy to get off. So I'm going to insert my plug, and it doesn't take much effort. So thanks to Lucas. I appreciate the feedback and the information on how to resolve this issue I had with my machine. Hopefully, if you've got this sander, you can use this technique in your shop. And I just wanted to share that. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll catch you on the next one.